basically what it's telling you is you're feeble and weak if you're a civilian, which I find this incredibly scary. I didn't know, but as you can see, people in the military and the police. Well, I don't know if you know about the police, but the police in Canada really fucked up in Ontario. There's good policemen all across Canada, but the police in Ontario are controlled by an evil, period. And what they did this past year was it was a mistake, and we must hold them accountable right away too. We must gather all police across the country and go to Ottawa and say that what you did to the civilians, the unarmed, peaceful protesting elderly women and elderly men and young children, is despicable and will never and ever happen again. I shed more tears than I've ever shed, you know. I shed more tears than I'll ever shed when my mom passes. And it changed me, you know. I'm now dry. And you, you, you don't understand that the sorrow that I felt. I'm going to make sure that I explain exactly to those who were responsible for what occurred how they made me feel and how wrong and evil their demands to the armed police, these police officers in Ottawa had machine guns. You go to war with machine guns. You don't go break up a fucking peaceful protest of elderly people with machine guns and horseback armies. We have lost control of our country. And when I say we, I mean we, the civilians in Canada. We are told what to do by corporations, and when we don't do it, they fire you. They steal your jobs, they take your homes, and they disrupt your family lives. This is what corporations have done. We have allowed it by not using our voices and not standing together. And I'm very disappointed in 90% of Canada. I saw 10% of Canadians doing the right thing, and they were mostly scared, which I was scared watching it. It took my breath away almost daily. And I'm heartbroken at the actions of the Ontario police, the Ottawa police mostly, but I put it on the province of Ontario to deal with the Ottawa police. I'm very disappointed that I live in a country that feels when the politicians are being told to step down, the politicians gather policemen, men and women, and arm them with guns and go break up these peaceful protests. This is wrong and it can never happen again. I'll be sharing this video out. I'm going to do things with this video. I'm going to make this video my front page video. I'm extremely disappointed in Trudeau, which, you know, if you ever want to do a what do you call that, charity boxing match, fuck, please. My name is Hash Info. My name is Sean. I want to box you. I will give $10,000 the minute you say yes to the charity of, we'll find a charity, not you. I want nothing to, you get no say. You, Trudeau, I want to get you in the ring and wear like wee shorts that say you stole from Canada. And I'm here to take back something out of you tonight when we get in the ring for the charity boxing match. I would love it to be kickboxing, but I know, Trudeau, you're way too much of a pussy. Way too much. So I'll haymaker you, and there'll be nothing Secret Service can do for this charity boxing match. I challenge you. Trudeau, you scumbag.